Michelle. I came here to have my breast done. The experience has been amazing. From the time I made contact to find out the details, I was contacted really quickly by Sarah, who was amazing, and she gave me information, and I decided within minutes that this is where I wanted to come. I had help trying to find the right hotels, and the dates and everything was just perfect. I arrived at the airport, I received support, and even when I got to the hospital, support was 24/7. It's just amazing. I did not understand that the treatment could be so 5-star and 100%. My doctor came to see me the morning after I arrived, and the tests were done, and within a couple of hours my breasts were on me, and I love the way they look. I had follow-up as well 2 days after, and I'm on day 5 today. No pain, the nurses are really helpful, the whole team is amazing. I'm sitting here not because I get paid to do this, but because they are really amazing. This is the place to go. Please don't go anywhere else. If you want, you can check me out. I can give you a personal recommendation, but it was really amazing.